We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can mount a camera on your DJI RSC2 gimbal. So to start, in the box that the gimbal came in, you should get those two plates. So first, select what plate you would like to use, the higher one or the lower one. The difference is that, well, different cameras are mounted differently, have different proportions, different lenses have different proportions, so sometimes it's better to use the higher stand or plate so that the camera will not scratch the gimbal and everything will move freely and nothing will get in the way. So that's up to you to decide what plate fits your particular camera the most, but I'll go with the smaller one since my camera is pretty small and I don't even have the lens mounted, so yeah, no difference. At the bottom of your camera you should have such hole. That's where you screw this plate in. Did I show you? Yep, so here's the hole, here's the plate. The plate itself, as you can see, not only it has the screw, it has this handle that you can, well, not pick up, but rather, I'll just open, like that. And now you can screw the screw without moving the compartment itself. So now just put it here, using this handle, screw it into your camera, and then adjust the plate itself, because if you, well, roll or just move the plate around, the screw should not be affected. So align it well. I'm not sure whether I've actually screwed it right, whether the orientation is right, so I'll check that later. Now, once this step is out of the way, you can take, or you should take this plate that also should have came in your packaging, in the box that the gimbal itself came in. And now you gotta mount the camera here like so, or you can do it in the reverse order and first put this plate onto the gimbal and then put the camera on top. For me, it doesn't make a lot of difference, just see yourself which way you would like to put it. I will probably just put the camera on this plate first. So now here, that's how you put it. Slide it in like that, and now the camera is fixated. It will not fall from this plate. If you would like to take it out of this plate, just press this button here and take it out. Alrighty, now let's slide it back. If I'm not mistaken, that's how you do that. You face the lens to you like that, but I'll check that later. Now, if you do not want for your camera to move, lock this lever here to the locked position. And once you do that, the camera will be stationary and it will not be moving around. Now we can start mounting the plate with the camera. So find this part of your gimbal. Let me show it to you better. So this plate on the gimbal that actually is designed to accommodate the camera. Oh, before I actually start mounting, I will lock it in as well. Well, that's the lever that I should use on the side rather than at the front. Now it will be stationary, so I can properly mount the camera and it will not wiggle. So now put the camera like that, just slide it in. It should fit right into its respective well, and designed, engineered space. Just do that. Be careful, take your time, do not rush. Do everything. I mean, do not afraid to do things as long as they feel natural. So here, did I mess the orientation up? I don't think I did actually. But let me quickly unlock the motor, so I can see if I can put it that way perhaps. Yeah. I cannot do that. It's fine. Well, yeah, I gotta slide to this plate away from this motor since well, you don't see it. So I gotta slide this plate away from this motor since when I try to mount the camera, it just interfere. So yeah, I gotta separate those things a little just to give me some wiggle room here. Yep, so now it should do. Let's put the plate. Finally, so we managed to slide it in. Now it is mounted successfully, as you can clearly see. And the logic is the same with the camera plate, this one. So now you can slide it inwards, outwards, I mean front and back, and it will not fall apart. And if you would like to take this plate, take the camera unmounted, find the same button that will unlock it. So give me a second here. This one. No, it's not it. So should have. The shooting angle is pretty bad. Oh, here it is, right. So the button that you need to press in order to take the plate out is here. So push it in and take the camera out. Just like that. Simple and simple. Anyway, I guess as far as the camera mounting part goes, that will be it. The camera has been mounted successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.